Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we were hunting relics over in Shook's Run. Today I'm at a city-owned community park, but prior to that, this used to be a ranch. I believe it was called Harlan Wolf Ranch, and it is old. I'm a little skeptical I can be here hunting, but a lady right over here said to me that she didn't think anybody would care, since this is a garden and it's all fenced off, if I was here detecting. So, and I can't imagine not finding something pretty cool back here, but again, it could have been detected prior to the purchase of the city. Maybe somebody had permission to hunt here and hunted it all up. So kind of here testing it for a couple hours. Have to get back real quick. My wife is flying today. I want to see her before she leaves. Let's get detecting. Okay, y'all. Well, man, probably about 6 inches deep. Right next to the garden. I'm just right along this line. Right along this tree line here. Got an Indian, guys. Rang up 22:23. Can't see the date yet. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Good start. Really good start. Well, yeah, I just wanted to, I only found the one Indian so far. Really cool gardening area here. Just want to give you a little tour. That's an oldie, guys. That is an oldie. Can't trespass. I'm a little skeptical to get inside the fence, this fence, in between this fence and that fence. I don't know if I should do that or not. Patina in there. Anyway, I wanted to just take you around real quick, give you a tour of the house. You can actually end it right there. Looks like they're gonna restore that house, so that's cool. There's some gigantic dogs out here just a little bit ago, 3 of them, and I just ignored them and they went away. Wow. How beautiful is that back there? Bird houses. Guess you can do like a little nature walk here. Wolf Trail, Cheyenne Creek. Huh. It's a legitimate park. It's pretty neat. Oh, I'm gonna have to come down here and explore for sure. This whole cellar here, back of the house. Wow, look at this, everybody. Look at that. The roof is caved in. Boy, if that could talk. Wonder what it would tell us. I think I might try to detect back here. I don't think I'll get in trouble for that. Just really cool, man. This It's a root cellar, it says. And as well. Store turnips and apple cider. That out. New borders. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little tour. I'm going to get back to detecting here. I've only found the one Indian head, and that was towards the front of the property, so I'm going to probably head back up there if I don't get anything back here. Okay, y'all, I'm shaking a little bit here. Oh man, got a 2627 signal right over by this tree. I found the Indian over there. I got silver, man, and I am not kidding you. This thing was almost on the top of the ground on the surface. You can literally see. I just basically stabbed at it, and it was right down in here. Folks, look at that. I got silver, a Barber dime, and I mean, it is in just gorgeous condition. Just absolutely beautiful, man. This makes the day, it makes the hunt. Wow. All right. All right, y'all. I don't know why my camera's messed up, but anyway, pretty sure you see the two stone pillars over here, and this was the actual road that Harlan Wolf drove his carriage up, and I think I found a little bit of horse tack. Anyway, cool find. Very cool. Y'all, I just found another little bucket list item. This is a heavy brass number off of probably the original home, or maybe the fence or gate that was here. And this one's an old one for sure. The heaviness of it, I mean, we're talking like early 1900s. Still has some of the patina on it, or not the patina, but the color, the brass color right there. Wow, guys, that's actually a very, very cool find. There's only so many numbers that are ever put on a home, and that is awesome. All right, I don't know too much about pins. I just found an oldie. Still has the pin back. May have words on it. I'll try to clean it up the best I can. It looks pretty rusty though. Anyway, that's a big one. Cool find. All right, I'm just shotgunning stuff here. I came back, found the Barber over there, the Indian over here, and now I just found this very cool half a horseshoe. Heavy. Pretty awesome. All right, y'all, I'm heading out. Pretty awesome hunt. I hope you enjoyed it. Not sure if this one's gonna be independent all by itself, or I'll just add it to the one I made yesterday, Hunting Shook's Run. Anyway, really really awesome place. Can't believe I can hunt it. Nobody said anything. I had one guy stop and kind of look at me funny. And that was when I was out in the back of the house. So, who knows? Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope we do well later. I don't know if I'm going back out today, but if I do, I'll be sure to show you what I find. All right, it's next morning. Heading right back to the same spot that I was at yesterday. Hoping to pull a couple more relics, a couple more coins out of this area. Again, not going to be here very long. I think I have enough footage for a pretty good video. Thought I'd let you see something pretty spectacular. There's a baby. It's a baby deer right there. Actually, two. It's a fawn looking back at us. Very common occurrence in this area for sure. Anyway, I wanted to let you know that this particular park, which was an old homestead, is not very far away from where, called the old coin place, where I found all the buffalo nickels and Indian heads that were almost near the surface of the ground. That little house next to the school. And again, I've really tried to get some permissions along here, but I've been unsuccessful. And again, one of the people that I was actually trying to get permission from was the one who told me to come here, because she didn't think anybody would care if I metal detected here. So anyway, I'm going to use the Equinox 800 with a 6-inch coil today, only because I think this isn't a huge area, number one, and number two, it does allow me to hone in on a specific area, such as over here where I found the Barber dime and the Indian head over here. So let's get started. Let's see if we find anything. All right, y'all. First find. Give you a little perspective. About halfway along this fence line here, working my way that way, and I just found something that I actually found in Kansas, only without this top part. Looks to be a handle. Thought it was a razor handle when I found it in Kansas, but it's not. And I cannot remember what I found out this was. Interesting. Okay, good find. Okay, guys, second find. I just found a very old file. At least I think it's old. It's got to be old. If you know, please tell me how you know if these things were really old or not. Still has the serrades on it. Yeah, cool find, man. Awesome. Y'all see what I see? Have not picked it up yet. Rang up like a nickel. Oh boy. Got a shield nickel, guys. This is a shield nickel. See it on the back. I'm not going to rub it too much. Shield nickel, baby. Oh yeah. Rang in 11, 12, 13. at about 8 inches deep. Awesome. All right, I'm all the way down on this end now, working my way up that way towards the house. I'm going to be trying to just get a sample out here. I was over there yesterday and didn't hit a thing. That's pretty close to the house, and I couldn't understand it. But I just found this, and I don't know what it is. I have no idea. It's attached to something, but it is rectangular. I don't see any words on it. Thought maybe it was lead, but it's probably brass. Not sure. Alright guys, I just found something else. I've been all the way that way. I went along the edge here over to the big stone pillar, and then I came back this way, and I just found this. Reminds me of the thing that I found in the creek the other day, and I'm just wondering if this isn't some sort of a shotgun shell or something. I don't know. I don't know what these are. Rang up a 20 on the Equinox. Interesting stuff, man. Oh. Working my way back to where I found all the coins. Well, all the coins, 2 coins. There's my truck down there. Anyway, I just found something, and again, that's what's awesome about this, is I never know what I found. It looks like a button. Maybe it was a 2-piece. I don't know. Huh. If you know what that is, let me know. I know I'm saying that a lot. Cool little surface find here. I already turned it over. I just flipped it back on the ground. But that's 4th ID patch. Fort Carson, Colorado. Right back over where I found the coins yesterday and some really cool relics. I just probably found my favorite thing that I've found since I've been here. These last 2 days. Look at this. That is just gorgeous, man. I'm pretty sure that that's a belt, like a belt hasp, considered a buckle. That is just absolutely beautiful, man. Ring up a 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's what the shield nickel ring. Super happy with this. This is, I'm getting close to quitting here, and just gorgeous. Absolutely love this. Well, I'm certainly gonna try this again at a different time, but I'm going to quit for the day, and this will end my video. Pretty awesome hunt here. So happy that it's okay, you know, for me to hunt here. I am 3 days away from going to Kansas again. Super excited about that. I'm trying to temper my enthusiasm just a little bit, because you just never know. I'll be hunting a couple places that a friend has set up for me, and just gonna see what we can find when we get out there, but pretty excited about it. My wrap-up for hunting Harland Wolf Park Homestead. It's been a 2-day hunt, but each day was just about 3 hours. So Anyway, super awesome hunt, one of the better hunts of the year. Couldn't believe I was detecting on that property that I'd driven by hundreds of times, wondering, if I could get permission. Come to find out it's a park. I thought it was just like somebody had donated a garden or something like that to the community, but it's an actual park. And nobody bothered me, and I had a great time. Just a real quick look at some of the trash that I dug there. There was a lot. I dug every signal because you have to on old properties. A lot of your 14s that are deep can end up being really good, whereas a 14 in a more modern park is usually a pull tab or something like that, or a pop top. But there's some interesting things even in the junk pile. Look at the old cans here. You can tell by the way the opening is that that's really old. These are heavy metal cans. A piece of a horseshoe. Yeah, big bolts. Some of this stuff's modern. Like I said, there is a garden there, so anyway, you can tell there's some modern stuff. Even a modern dog leash or a dog collar. All right, on to the really good stuff. Okay, you saw me dig this whole file. Pretty sure this is period. I hope it is. I hope it's period. Please tell me if it's not. It looks really old. It looks like the ones you'd see today, I think. But anyway, furthermore, I guess I kind of grouped these in where I think they belonged. I think these are all car parts, old car parts. Somebody told me in my video in Kansas that this is actually off a Model T. I can't remember what it was for. Or an old car, a really old car. I don't know if it's some kind of a valve stem or something that was inside the engine. I think she said was a lady who knew a lot about old cars. That was definitely an old cap off of some vehicle. And this, man, I do not know. It has some words on it. It says Chester's on it. That's all I could really get off of it. I scrubbed it good, but I have no idea. You know what Chester is? If you do, tell me. I have some bullets. I think this is a shotgun shell. My last video I asked what it was, what that cylinder thing was, and this looks almost identical to it. Got some dirt in it. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe that's a car part too. Got a actual round here. Doesn't look like it's been fired. It just probably fell off like a cartridge or something. A couple little 22 cartridges that are really old. Just hoping this little plate would have some writing on it. It does not. And neither did this button. It's super old. Of course, it could be actually not that old because it's made of metal and just rusty. Anyway, this I still need to work on. It looks like there's words on it. I'm almost positive there is, but I'm gonna have to hit it with some of my special sauce to try to see if I can read that. And if it's something amazing, I'll do a little separate add-on to this video. If it's not, I'm just gonna move on. All right, so we have the horse bridle rein guide thing. I don't know what that is. I know it's off of a horse carriage or gear tack for a horse. Then I have this big old half a horseshoe. I think that's probably an oldie. All right, I found 3 dimes. These are all modern. 2 pennies and 1 quarter. And I found this. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a big old button. But I found another one of those that's completely rusted out. I don't know why this one lasted and the other one didn't. Is that a button? If you can tell me, I'd appreciate it. Right, for the really good stuff, obviously I'm just ecstatic about these 5 items. I am pretty sure that this is going to be original house number, brass house numbering off that Harlan Wolf house. I hope it is. Or it was out by the street to identify, where the ranch was. But either way, this is a piece of history right here. This little buckle, I don't know if you can really see it. I'll try to hold it so the light hits it right. That is a little buckle. Looks like it's made of brass. It's not super heavy, but you can tell it's probably period, just by the way that it was made, and I'm pretty sure. Awesome. Okay, now for the coins. 1899 Barber dime, almost in perfect condition, and 1901 Indian head penny. And believe it or not, this is an 1886, no, stand by, 1888 Shield nickel. 1888. Almost in, it's not in perfect condition, but you know how any detectors that have ever found these know that they're not always in the best shape. And so that was just thrilling today to find that. But anyway, that's the wrap up. Again, I'll remind you that I am going to be in Kansas in 3 days. Super excited about it, hunting some old homes. Be sure to catch them. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the little bell that allows you to get notifications when I post videos.